Hello! Today, ay ipapakita ko po sa inyo paano mag-assemble ng shark rotator lift away vacuum. Okay. So, ang mga parts na kasama sa kanyang packaging ay ang mga sumusunod. Okay. So, number one is motorized floor nozzle. So, this one. Okay? The motorized floor nozzle. Okay, so meron din siyang handle and hose. Ito yon, handle and hose or hose. And this one is the saucer plate, brose or brose. Hindi ko alam paano i-bigkasin. And this one is the brose motorist for, I don't know, French word. This one is the vacuum pad. Okay. So, we will see kung marunong ako mag-assemble. Okay. So, the vacuum pad ay dapat i-connect sa motorized floor nozzle. Motorized floor nozzle. Yun. Okay, so dapat daw maririnig nyo yung click. And then, number 3, we will attach the handle and hose. The handle and the hose. Handle right here should go with this one, I think. Oh, wait. Click. What is the... Oh, this one. This one is the handle and the hose. Yun. So, dapat naging yung click. And then, we also have the, this one is the wand. This one is the wand. And this one is the handle and hose. So, you will connect the handle and hose to the wand. Yun. Okay. And so, i-connect nyo naman itong hose sa kanyang Ayun. Okay, so dapat na-split siya. And then, I think that's it. Ito naman, this part, yung sa vacuum motorized floor nozzle, pwede mo naman siyang palitan. Okay. So, I think na-connect ko na lahat. Okay, tingnan natin ang kanyang manual. The manual. Okay, so this one is Shark Rotator Lift Away Pet with self-cleaning brush roll rotator lift away pet. Yan. Okay. So, importante na kapag gagamit kayo ng bagong equipment or cleaning equipment sa bahay, ay always read. Know your equipment first. Always read the manual. Okay, so pinaka-importante yon. Okay. Hard floor or carpet. Okay. So, ito yon. So, you're going to select off, hard floor, or carpet. So, sa brush indicator, this one is the brush indicator lights. So, iilaw yan kapag naka-on na siya. At gagamitan mo na. Solid green, brush roll is spinning, and solid red, there is a jam in the brush roll area. So, you should turn off the vacuum kapag nagja-jam. Okay? The suction control offers variable suction based on your needs. Suction control. Okay. So, this one is the suction control. Okay, may nakalagay dito. Ito. Remove and slide to minimum for easier movement on carpets. Yan. This one is the suction control. For easier movements on carpet, use the minimum settings and yan, nako-control yan and going to maximum. Okay. So, ano pang importante? Okay, so yon. Kung gusto mong, yan, to engage in brush roll, step on nozzle and tilt handle back firmly. This one. Step on nozzle and tilt.